To clean up space on your OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, you will need to find My Files app, and for me it's in the OnePlus folder right here. If for you cannot find it there, then just look in your app drawer or anywhere on your home screen for that icon. Now if you open My Files, there's this broom icon in the bottom right corner. Click on it, and here we have the cleanup app. Now you can perform a cleaning of your device basically, and what it does, it will delete some files, and you can manage which files will be deleted or which caches of your apps will be deleted by scrolling down, and then you can check exactly how much space each category will clear. So for example, we have apps right here which will clear 10 kilobytes. So let's enter it, and then we can see which app will be cleared. So you can toggle it or not, and then adjust everything right here, what you want to or don't want to delete. And finally, when you're ready, just hit the clean button, and your storage should be cleared for the amount of megabytes, gigabytes or kilobytes that you can see right there. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.